Hi everyone, welcome to another drawing session. In this video, we are going to draw and color a cute strawberry. So, let's start. Here, firstly I draw basic outlines with pencil. Not all art, I draw somewhat like this. Here, and top of the strawberry somewhat. With basic outlines, it's so much easy to draw. Then let's draw it marker pen like this, slowly. The top of the strawberry. Art is so much enjoyable and relaxing our mind too. Like this, here. And cute eye, I draw middle of the strawberry. Like this. And here also I save some small spots in middle of the eye like this. The eyebrow, not big eyebrow, they are also cute, small. The mouth like this. I hope especially the kids will love this art. Small spots through the strawberry. I add few spots like this. Here also. And in this place, a cute and small heart. Here also. You can add as you wish. And here I add a star. This one also somewhat small. In this place also. And let's erase the pencil lines. Here. Here we finish our strawberry drawing. This is so much cute. Let's color it. I use so much colorful colors. Firstly, I add red color. Don't think so much and don't be quick. Let's color it slowly. We have to save the spots. So, let's color it slowly. Like this. Here. The red color I add as a deep layer. If you like, you can use all over the strawberry as a deep layer. In this corner, I add red color somewhat as a light layer, not a deep layer. After that, I add pink color in that places after the red color, like this. If you like, you can use white color also for the pink color. But I think pink color is suitable so much than white color. Here, this corner also somewhat, not so much, like this. Let's color the spots. I use yellow color. If you like, you can use orange color also, but yellow color is the suitable color for these places as a deep layer, like this. And the mouth, here I use red color. And in these places, black color. You can use black color pencil also, but here I use marker pen. And for these all spots, I draw again with marker pen because the marker pen lines didn't show well with pencil lines. So I draw them again. It's so much beautiful, like this. Here for the eye, I use light blue. Let's color the top of the strawberry. Firstly, I add dark green, like this, not all over the place. Here also. And after that, I add light green in other places. You can use yellow color also. Here for this star, I use yellow color. Here too. In this place, pink color. Here, red color. And here, light blue. So we finish our cute strawberry. Let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you.